Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Miss Sahira Barkat from Peshawar Model School Nashara. This is my lecture number 4 for class 6 June SVT, and this is lecture number 4 and last lecture because the question is last for your SVT. It's question number 5. Do creative writing on the following topics. We have two topics. One is blessings of Ramadan and the other is Eid ul-Fitr. Both of the topics are very much easy, and everyone who uh, is a Muslim can easily tell a lot of things about this. And we have recently passed both the events, like one Ramzan and Eid al-Fitr, so we can write so many things about it. But let me tell you first that what is actually a creative writing. Creative writing means that you have to write on a specific topic in your own words. And let me tell you that you also have to write it in your own words, that what do you know about Ramadan and what do you know about Eid al-Fitr. But I have noted down some points for you, so that can help you out in writing it in your neat SVT copies in which you are going to attempt your answers. So there are some points I have written here. I will write, I will read them for you. Ramzan is a holy month. It is considered as the month of blessings. In Ramadan, Muslims practice daily fasting, which begins at dawn and ends at the beginning of sunset. The Holy Prophet ﷺ said, "O people, the month of Allah has come with His blessings. This is the month that is the best of all months. Its days are the best of days. Its nights are the best of nights. Its hours are the best of hours." With the saying of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we can easily understand that how blessed this month of Ramadan is, and we also experience these kind of blessings when we fast during the month of Ramadan. So you have to remember all the things, all the blessings you get during this month. As we know that there are several things Allah has said, that in the month of Ramadan, anybody who does not annoy others in this month will be safe from His anger, from Allah's anger. We will be safe if we do not tease someone or annoy someone. And anybody who treats well his relatives in this month will receive the mercy of Allah on the day of judgment. So whoever does something good with others, with his relatives, with her relatives, he will be blessed on the month on the day of judgment. And whoever performs or offers sunnah prayers in this month will be saved from hell. Then there are a lot of other blessings Allah has declared for the Muslims who does good deeds in Ramadan. So it's your thinking or your point of views. You have to write it in your SVT copy in this topic. Okay, and let me tell you in Urdu that what kind of things you can write and what Allah has declared. इन रमज़ान के महीने में अगर आप किसी के साथ भी अच्छा सलूक करते हैं, अपने रिश्तेदारों के साथ, और किसी के साथ भी आप किसी को तंग नहीं करते, परेशान नहीं करते, किसी का दिल खफा नहीं करते, तो अल्लाह ताला जो है वो उसका अजर आपको देता है, और क़यामत के दिन ऑन द डे ऑफ जजमेंट यू विल बी रिवॉर्डेड. सो ऑल द थिंग्स, ऑल द ब्लेसिंग्स यू गेट इन रमज़ान can be written in this topic. And this is the paragraph for your help. You can don't write this much short paragraph. You have to write a bit longer. These sentences are just for your help. Okay, moving forward to the second topic, and this second topic is Eid ul-Fitr. Again, a very easy topic on which you can write a lot of sentences. We celebrate Eid ul-Fitr after the month of Ramadan, when we fast the whole month, and after that we get Eid as a reward of observing all the fasts. We celebrate it with happiness, with joy. All the Muslims celebrate it with happiness, and they wait for it impatiently, that when will it arrive. And for Muslims, Eid is an occasion of showing gratitude to Allah. Gratitude means शुक्रगुजार होना, कि अल्लाह ताला का हम शुक्रगुजार होते हैं कि हमें अल्लाह ताला ने रमज़ान का महीना दिया जिसमें हमने रोज़े रखे, और उसके बाद हमें ईद उल फितर मनाने का मौका भी मिला. Muslims all over the world make preparation for the festival of Eid al-Fitr. Eid gifts are also given to children. कि तमाम मुसलमान जो हैं वो इस इसकी बहुत प्रिपरेशन करते हैं। अगर आप देखें अपने सराउंडिंग्स में तो पूरे रमज़ान में भी हम इबादत के साथ साथ ईद का इंतज़ार करते हैं और ईद की तैयारी भी कर रहे होते हैं, और चिल्ड्रन को जो है वो ईद पर तोहफे भी दिए जाते हैं। दिस इज़ अगेन सम पॉइंट्स रिटन ओवर हेयर, यू हैव टू प्रोलॉन्ग इट एंड think about some more sentences and note them down in your SVT copy. I hope these two topics are very much easy and you will write very good sentences about them. So this was the last lecture for your June SVT. Till the next lecture, Allah Hafiz.